So every few days I take my little e-bike down the hill to the swimming hole. Let me tell you, this e-bike is not made for off-road. It was made for the beautiful roadways of the Gold Coast. So it is a bit of a bouncy ride, and it sometimes shakes the absolute life out of me. But it's worth it when I get down to the swimming hole and take that beautiful dip. So this was obviously pretty much smashed during the floods. This area, we're now 9 months post-flood, so things are getting back to normal, and she's pretty overgrown, but you can see the trees are stripped at the bottom, but she's a lovely area, and we wouldn't have it any other way. Anyway, after my dip, it's back to the van build. Enjoy.
There's magic coursing throughout my veins. I don't want it to stop. I feel invincible.
So as we step up into the van,
if you need to travel in flood-affected areas, just take extra care.
Speaking of flood,
drive through
flooding again down south.
The latest traffic information on those flood-affected.
Good old OBC Radio Northwest, just keeping me up to date. So, okay, so in theory, so the new fridge cabinet is going there. That's where I used to have my pull-out pantry and cupboards, and then this is going there, which will be then my bench top and drawers and stuff. And then there's the fridge, great little stand-up fridge, 90 litre, LG compressor on it, so yeah, that will be mounted in there. And as I said, okay, it should be a better option. I obviously won't be sleeping on that bed in the near future, but I'll clean it all up. So yeah, originally, and the cooking hob will go in here, but obviously everything else. And we have a change of location van build today. I am with Henry. And we're doing a bit of painting. Elias Elena's here still. And we're so much painting we're actually getting done. But we're at Henry's house.
It's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night.
She made this hammer in Year 9 metalwork. Look at that lathe work. Beautiful. So Year 9 metalwork, soft end, brass end. And now Year 9 for me was a very long time ago. Probably 35 years ago. So tested the time. And I've just had it obviously an epiphany with the fridge one. Because this sits over the wheel well, I can't put the fridge at the bottom. I'm going to have to put the fridge at the top and actually put the shelf down the bottom, which will work out quite well because I'll do the cutout for the wheel arch in that corner, which means I'll have to be cutting that as well, and the middle bracket. So the fridge will be there, which will probably be handier anyway. My elite height. I'll just open it up there. Finally, sun's out. Yeah! So I'll show you through. That's the van build, although it's rained for 2 days since I pulled it all out. So weirdly enough, there's actually no mould left on it now because it's all washed away. Under here is all the timber I can salvage. So it's hiding under there. So I'm going to give the multi-tool a crack at making this full well hole. Well, you'll be able to see whether it works or not. It's working good. As long as my measuring's okay, it shall work fine.
It's a good day, good life, night. There's magic coursing throughout my veins.
So we're building the ply walls today, been into town. and I had to go to the tip. So new cushions, cut those in half, and big long ply, so that's 12mm ply. It's going to make all the walls, the rest of the wall, new walls behind all the cabinets, and a few other bits and pieces, so should be interesting.
Nothing like feeling it's your birthday. There's nothing like it's your birthday. I just want to celebrate. I just want to celebrate all night. Celebrate all night.
Workout, so let's see how we go. Hello, Pip. You want to be on the video too? There you go. You're on the video too. So, in good theory, I am actually burning all the little parts of cardboard. I'll use the rest of the big boxes, like that one, to cover my garden beds to make more veggie gardens. Yeah. The cooker has found a small snake, and I've been watching, I'll say her, basically kill it for the last 10 minutes. So they just whack it on the ground a few times, and now it's proceeding to just kind of chew up down until it doesn't move anymore. Impressive. So we've just laying in the van, just actually watching a bit of YouTube, a bit of Van Wives, and get the alert. It's severe thunderstorm, hailstones, size of your fist. So of course my guts is full. I've done a mad dash to the house to double check. As I said, I'm in the middle of a van build. I'm in my jammies, and yeah, just because I don't know if I've actually weirdly enough protected the solar panels before the van. Anyway, not that there's not significant trees around here to park under, however they're likely to bloody fall on me. So anyway, I think the worst of it has actually gone. I actually ran across probably at the wrong time. Ooh, light up. Never a bloody dull moment. Oh, it was a ripping day today. Yeah, I'm absolutely fucking sorry. Yeah, ripping day today. It's 25 degrees, got shitloads done. Did the new floors, which now are obviously waterlogged. So let's open up the van. So this is the demold build, and I may just have the issue of demoulding again. Anyway, good to see.
I was walking out one evening late. The moon was rising high, headed for the riverside. Around us fuss and fight. Patrolman, he walked by, asked me where I'm going. Said if the sun set on me there, I'd never make it home. He said, don't go downtown tonight, there's trouble on the rise. The bad men in the shadows, and they're bound to take your life. If you mind to ramble, I'll tell you how I do. Keep your money in your pocket, and the razor in your shoe. Slipping silent through the creek, the hounds to lose my scent. I went up a tree and I watched them turn, wondering where I went. I take a rest, I hold my breath, I let it simmer down. I climb too high in my wandering eye, spied the lights of town. He said, don't go downtown tonight, there's trouble on the rise. The bad men in the shadows, oh, they're bound to take your life.